unraveling the phrase, "a cloud hangs over." Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on one that often pops up in both literature and everyday conversations. A cloud hangs over. This phrase is a perfect example of how English uses imagery to convey complex emotions and situations. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its implications in different contexts. When we say, "a cloud hangs over," we're not talking about the weather. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical expression used to describe a situation where there is a sense of impending trouble or a feeling of unease about something. The cloud, in this context, represents a problem or difficulty that looms over a person, place, or situation, suggesting that something negative is present or on the horizon. To fully grasp the usage of "a cloud hangs over," let's look at some examples. Personal context. Ever since the argument, a cloud has hung over their relationship. Here, the phrase illustrates the lingering tension between two people. Professional context. A cloud hangs over the company after the scandal. This example shows how the phrase can describe a general atmosphere of distrust or concern surrounding a business. Literary context. In literature, this phrase might be used to set the mood for a scene or foreshadow upcoming events, such as, "a cloud hung over the village," hinting at the misfortune that was to come. Using "a cloud hangs over" in your own conversations or writing involves identifying situations where there is an element of worry, doubt, or negativity that affects the overall mood or outlook. It's important to pair it with the right context so that the metaphorical meaning comes through clearly. Remember, the strength of this phrase lies in its ability to convey a complex emotional state or situation succinctly and vividly. Like many idiomatic expressions in English, "a cloud hangs over" can be adapted or varied slightly while maintaining its core meaning. Some common variations include, "a dark cloud hangs over," "a cloud of suspicion hangs over," "a cloud of uncertainty hangs over." These variations allow for more specific descriptions of the type of cloud, enabling speakers or writers to tailor the phrase to fit the situation more precisely. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "a cloud hangs over," has illuminated its meaning and how it can be used to enrich your English communication. Whether in writing or speech, idiomatic expressions like this one add depth and color to our language, allowing us to convey nuanced emotions and situations. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its diversity and flexibility. So don't be afraid to experiment with phrases like this in your own expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate the wonderful world of English in our next video.